introduce to you Countess Coloratura.
I'm here to show you who I am. Throw off the veil, it's finally time. There's more to me than glitz and glam. Oh, and now I feel my stars align. For I had believed what I was sold. I did all the things that I was told, but all that has changed and now I'm bold, 'cause I know that I am just a pony. I make mistakes from time to time, but now I know the real me and put my heart out on the line and let the magic in my heart stay true. Whoa, and let the magic in my heart stay true. Like the magic inside of you, and now I see those colors right before my eyes. I hear my voice so clearly, and I know that it is right. I thought I was weak, but I am strong. They sold me the world, but they were wrong. And now that I'm back, I still belong, 'cause I know that I am just a pony. I make mistakes from time to time, but now I know the real me and put my heart out on the line and let the magic in my heart stay true. And let the magic in my heart stay true. Just like the magic inside of you. Just like the magic inside.